Hello friends, hope you all are good. I am your friend Adhir here. Today in this video, we will discuss what is rights issues with a real-time example and how it will impact investors' balance sheets. Before I will start this video, I am requesting to you all, please subscribe this channel to get more financial video for your study and career growth purpose. Okay friends, we will start. What is rights issues? Rights issues when company issue the new shares to their existing shareholders with a discount price. This event called as a rights issues event. Question will become, rights issues belongs to what type of corporate action events? It is a voluntary corporate action events. In this type of events, the investors have fully freedom. They can participate as per their choice. Neither they will not participate in these events. If investor will participate these events, they have to follow the company's event details to buy the new right shares from their company. We will discuss one real-time example today. Couple of weeks before, Reliance company declared rights issues to their existing shareholders to aiming raise rupees 53,125 crore equities. Reliance Industry declared one rights issues event to their existing shareholders to raise 53,125 crore equity rupees to expand their business. And they informed to their existing shareholders who all are the interest to participate in these events. We welcome to buy new right shares, but you guys have to follow the below event details. What is the below event details? We'll see. One new shares for 15 existing equity shares as of 14th May 2020. Reliance Industry informed to their existing shareholders who all are the interest to participate for these events. They can participate if they are holding 15 existing equity shares as on 14th May 2020 record date. Then they can buy only one new right shares from the Reliance Industry. Okay, that means one new shares one investor can buy if they are holding 15 existing equity shares as on 14th May 2020. And Reliance Industry also inform investor can apply new right shares as 20th May 2020 to 3rd June 2020. In this time period, investor can buy new right shares. And Reliance Industry also informed if investors are interested to buy new right shares, they have to pay 1257 rupees for new right shares. And also, one very good facility Reliance Industry gave to their existing shareholders. This 1257 rupees investor can pay on 3 installment basis. And what are the installments they mention here? When investor will apply for the new rights shares, on that time investor will pay 25% of rights issues. That means 314.25 rupees on the first installment. And second installments May 2021, again 25% investor will be pay, and the final 50% will pay on the December 2021. And this is the payment details. These are the event details if the investor will participate for this rights events. And guys, we'll discuss how it will impact the investors' balance sheets. This is the balance sheets for XYZ investors as on 14th May 2020. Think that XYZ company, sorry, investors as on 14th May, they have bank balance 5,000 rupees, debtors is 2,000 rupees, investment cost value is 19,600 rupees, and unrealized gain is 2,000 rupees. The asset sides. If you see the liability sides, just focus on the net profit is 1600 rupees. Think that XYZ company, they only invest in the Reliance industry. Okay. And they hold 15 quantities. Okay. XYZ company, when they bought these 15 shares from the stock markets, on that time they paid 1306 rupees 0.66 paisa per quantities. The total cost value is 1900 19,599.90 paisa, which is round figure in 19,600 in balance sheets. The cost value. Okay. As on 14th May, Reliance share price per security price is 1440 rupees. Now the market value is 21,600 rupees. Okay. How will we calculate unrealized gain loss? Market value minus our cost value. Now the unrealized gain is 2010 paisa, which is in balance sheet we have taken as a round figure 2000 rupees. Okay. Now the net profit is 1600 rupees. This is the balance sheet and this is the investment portfolio for the XYZ investors as on 14th May 2020. Think that if XYZ is interested to participate for this rights issues and how it will be impact the after rights. This is the balance sheets for XYZ investors as on 5th June 2020. Now the bank balance is 3,743. Earlier it was 5,000 rupees. Now it is 3,743 rupees. Why? Because XYZ bought one new shares from Reliance Industry. The price is 1257. Think that the XYZ company investors, the first installment they fully paid all the amounts. Now the bank balance is decreased. Now if you see the cost value is increased. Why? Because the XYZ company invest in new one right shares from Reliance Industry. Okay. Here the 1257 is increase compared with the before rights issues balance sheets. Okay. Here the market price is 1440 rupees. Now the unrealized gain amount is 183 rupees. Okay, this is the unrealized amounts. If you calculate the whole positions, the previous 15 and the current rights issues 1, now the unrealized amount will be increased 2000 rupees to 2183.10. Okay, now the net profit also it is increasing 1600 to 1783.10, which is positively impact your balance sheets. Okay, now it will be good for the investors balance sheets. This is the rights events impact for the XYZ's investors balance sheets. Hope you guys understand this fully concept what is rights issues events, and as per the event details how it is impacting the company's investors balance sheets. Thank you so much.